Another pair of Jordans, something different this time. What's good YouTube, Ash Bash, back again with another video. And as you can see, the settings, if you've been following me for a while, this is my old crib. It's not actually that far away from my house, it's like 10 minutes on my bike to get here. But this pickup right here, this is actually for my brother. I should have gotten this ordered to my house, which would have made it a bit easier because I'm actually off this week. But he's at work, so I quickly rode down to make sure I was here for the delivery. And then stupidly, I didn't think to bring my proper camera with me, so we're going guerrilla style, old school with my phone. Hopefully it comes out fine and the sound ain't too crazy. But yeah, so this is a dope pair of kicks, a pair of Air Jordan 9 boots. Let's get to the review. So I personally didn't know too much about these. My brother showed me a picture of them a month ago or so. I was asking on the Facebook groups and all that, anyone know when these are out, anyone know what they are, anything like that, so I couldn't find any information on any release dates, but actually came out, I think it was January 6th on Nike.com. I just copped them from my brother. And this box is one of the dopest boxes I've ever seen. It really makes me want to have these kicks for myself. It's super dope. It says, "Who said man was not meant to fly?" It's got all these old school Jordan pictures on it. Super, super fresh. But anywho, let's open these up and show you the kicks. And boom, here are the kicks. The Jordan 9 NRG boot. You can feel straight away these are super hard wearing. They've actually got a water repellent coating on them, reinforced with leather and suede to make it comfortable, yet strong as well. So they killed it with these. Super solid boot. And to be fair, when it comes to colorways, black and gum always goes to go for well and is always fire. I got the LeBron 10 or 11 in the black and gum colorway. Looking down at it, it's pretty similar looking shoe, but it's not a boot, but it's just fire. Fair play, I see why he liked them. And I might actually be able to rock these for work, so I might have to cop myself a pair as well. Super fire, but yeah. Let's show you some close-ups and some of the little details on this boot. So I'm going to start off with the bottom, unconventional, but it's super dope. This gum bottom sole with the big Jumpman here in black. And also on the midsole here, again in black and gum with this black Jumpman again on here. Is a spiked midsole, a bit like the new Pro Fear from Adidas. It's got that sort of spike feel to it. I've never had a Jordan 9 before, so I don't even know if these are what Jordan 9s are normally like, if this boot is totally different to what they're normally like. Jordan 9's never been a shoe, sneaker model that's appealed to me, but I'm assuming they're not normally like this, and it's definitely unique to the shoe. Because it's super spiked everywhere, so I'm assuming it is hard wearing for the winter months and all that, which would make sense. Toes of the shoe is in this suede. It's obviously not a plush suede because that wouldn't go well for the all winter theme and all that, but it's this suede which is mixed in with leather. So I've been told. Goes along the side of the shoe here where it's got this signature pattern from the Jordan 9s. This one again is spiked. I don't know if it's always like that, but that's what it's like on this shoe. Lacing system comes with these black rope laces and these metal eyelets, which are pretty cool as well. And the tongue is in black and it's got Air Jordan written there in black leather. Nice little touch. It's got a pull tab at the back of the shoe with another black Jumpman embossed in this rubbery leather thing at the back here as well. Very cool shoe, I must say. And it's super hard wearing. I don't know if it's because it's got the thing inside or what, but this feels solid as it gets. Super solid, but yeah, not too bad at all. Yeah, so just gonna check the box and see if there's any extras in it, any extra laces or anything like that. I'm sure these must come with like gum laces or something, so hold on.
12 seconds later.
And yes, I was correct. On the second shoe, we have got some beige laces to go with the gum theme of the shoe. I think the all black sort of stealthier look looks better with it, but definitely will change up and make them a bit more flashy. I guess so. But yeah, that was a very quick look at the Jordan 9 boot NRG. No on foot because these aren't my sizes. I'm a 9.5, I'm a 10. And I don't want to try on my brother's shoes for the first time. He might get pissed off at me. So yeah, that is that. If I can get an on foot done with him, I will get that done eventually. But for now, just a quick look at these shoes. Very dope indeed. And I might strongly reconsider these for myself. I can get away with black shoes at work, so who knows. Anywho, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Ashbash signing off. Adios.